Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys enjoying your days. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you grow on Threads. To grow on Threads, you need to increase your follower. So there are a few ways to increase your follower. At first, just go to your Threads account. Now click the bottom last your profile icon, and from here you can see share profile. Click on it. You can share your profile through Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Google, or many other social media platforms. And by sharing your profile, your friends will see your link and they may follow you back. And that's how you can increase your followers. There is another thing, just go to your feedback. And by sharing relatable, recommended, or attracted posts, you can just attract others, and by this way, others may follow you back. And there is another thing, to increase your follower, you can just follow some people like this, and by this way they may follow you back, and by doing this multiple times you will surely increase your follower. So guys, that's how you can grow up on Threads account. Hope you find this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.